Wow, actually this is the summit of Ozamiz City. This is Gala, look at this. And this is actually the center for prenup, like, yeah, photo pictorials, definitely for the soon-to-be married couple, debutante, and everyone who really wants to have a good picture. Look at this. Oh my goodness, the place is so ethereal. Wow, heavenly. And we got here a good enough of oxygen for us to breathe and everything. So only here in Gala, Ozamiz City. Well, come on. Woo. Yeah, thank you. So like, I'm with Sir June.
Hi.
Like, this is going to be a 5-meter distance as we're having our try here at Gala. So, wow, the place is so nice. How we wish, Ra? Look at that, okay? Okay? So, how we wish we could have here like resort, yeah? A village like. And if you are a guest, and definitely you really have to grab the opportunity of like doing this exercise. The place is so nice. The surroundings, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness, okay. So look at that. Okay, that's Sir June, one of the finest choreographers in Mindanao. Only in Mindanao? Okay, in the Philippines, right? So he's now a teacher and I'm so happy for him. So, come on, let's run! Yeah! Woo! Hills are alive with the sound of music. Oh my goodness, the place is so nice. As if we're in Baguio. Look at this, it's 6 o'clock in the morning and wow, a bit chilling up here. And we can feel really the coolness of the air and everything. Only here in Gala, by boundary of, this is actually between Ozamiz and Tanggol City. Yeah, the highland part of the two cities. And actually we can see Tanggol Bay there, over there. Look at that. So everything is surreal, right? So come on, let's run more and more. Run.
Hi.
Hello.
How's running?
Yeah,
What do you say?
it's holiday. Wow, goodness. So we're supposed to like climb up there, but well, hindi kaya. Okay, that's it. Only EJ can, but the three of us, like Sir Louis and June, I think we're old enough, but well, in times we can do it. Okay? Okay. So this is a really pandemic, everyone. What we got here is, well, a brunch or like a stem of poinsettia. So we will be propagating this one, and hopefully we can have full blown this December. So I'm with Sir Louis, the APS and CLE, and the one who is really, it's not recovering, but developing to love plans. And here comes Sir June, the choreographer, and that's AJ doing the thing. So like, shout for now, guys. I've got one here, pandemic. Wow! And we're reaching actually the top, ladies and gentlemen. So this is Gala, 360 degrees. Oh my God! What a life! What a life! It's everything pure. It's everything great. And we can actually think how wonderful it is to be human. And we're thanking the Lord for giving all these things around. Look at this, come on. Please. Wow, look at that. 360 degrees, come on. Take a full turn. Take a full turn. Look at that. Come on, some more. Some more. Some more. So this is Gala. Only here in Ozamiz. Wow, so we must enjoy more. Thank you. Wow! Yes! Hooray! Tony J! Say bye! Say no! Look at that! Woo! Thank you!